zu meinem Sohn, welcher hat mir geschenkt hellblaue Karellen. Es killen mir deine Karellen und ich fühl sich jung. Ich weiß nicht, zu ich will machen wollen, wären wieder jung. My vision is bad. Nur misdacht, als ich kenn noch gefällen, a Jingel von 19 wie du. Und das sagt, was ich trug die Karellen mit das Schmeichel von hellblaue Ruhe. Now, see here, there's a rhyme. There are other poems where there's not a trace of rhyme. See? That's why you asked an answer to your question. It's hard to pin it down. And yet, it seems so simple. And yet you come across this line where she says, so I'm still attractive to a boy of 19. You see? There are layers and layers in Dropkin. And it's another part of her appeal, too. Yeah.
Would you mind reading the English?
Oh, to my son, who sent me bright blue beads. Your beads cool me, and I feel myself oddly young. I don't know that I want to be young again. But I think if I can still please a lad of 19 like you, why then I shall wear these beads with a smile of bright blue tranquility. I remember puzzling over that, Rue. It's hard. And I think it's in the, let's find it here, to my son. I don't know what they did. 1930. See, they weren't even dated, half of them. We had to puzzle them out, or occasionally there was a date. This is her way of dealing with it. Would have been useful, right? It's not absolutely essential, but yeah. So this translation, which I think I did, or John, why then I shall wear these beads with a smile of bright blue tranquility. And here I have, it's good to look lovely for a young man of 19, my beads, my smile, calm and light blue. You see, this is another poet.